In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional AI voiceover for your YouTube video using Murf AI. First, log into your Murf AI account and create a new project dedicated to your YouTube video. Giving the project the same name as your video keeps everything organized. Once you're in, you'll see the text editor where all the voiceover magic happens. Now, write or paste your script into the editor. Read it once more with your audience in mind. If your video is energetic and upbeat, keep sentences short and punchy. For tutorials or reviews, aim for a clear, steady tone with straightforward language. Add punctuation to guide pacing, and consider including subtle cues like pause in brackets or ellipses to help the narration breathe naturally. If a word might be tricky to pronounce, spell it phonetically in the script, or rephrase the sentence for clarity. Next, choose a voice that matches your video's theme or character. Murf offers a range of voices: narrative, conversational, corporate, character-driven, so sample a few and listen for qualities that fit your brand. Imagine how the voice would sound over your visuals. Does it feel trustworthy, friendly, or high energy? Pick the one that aligns with the mood you want viewers to feel. After selecting a voice, fine-tune the settings. Adjust speed so the narration feels natural and easy to follow, slower for technical content, slightly faster for dynamic scenes. Tweak pitch to find a comfortable, authentic range, and use emotion settings to add warmth, enthusiasm, or seriousness where needed. Small changes go a long way, so preview often and aim for consistency across the entire script. When you're ready, generate the voiceover and give it a careful listen from start to finish. Check pronunciation, pacing, and emphasis. Make sure the narration lands at the right moments in your script and that nothing sounds rushed or robotic. If something feels off, revise the text, adjust the settings, and regenerate until the delivery matches your vision. Finally, export the audio file and sync it with your YouTube video in your editing software. Choose WAV for maximum quality or MP3 if you need a smaller file. Import the audio, align it with your timeline, and use the waveform to fine-tune cuts and transitions. Trim any extra silence, add pauses where visuals need room to breathe, and keep background music at a low level so the voice remains clear. Do a final watch-through to confirm everything is tight and polished and you're ready to publish.